Hello guys, welcome again to my YouTube channel guys. Today I want to show you guys on how you can deposit to your Exness account on this particular video. You guys just stick around and watch this video to the end and try to hit the subscribe button, like this video, share this video to all your friends on social media. All right, I'll show you step by step on how you can use different method of payment to deposit to your Exness account. You can see this is my account. I have about $659 on my what? On my trading account. All right, you can see $659 is being deposited to this particular account. All right, so right now I'll show you guys on how can you make your own deposit, either with Naira, cryptocurrency, different method you can use. The first thing you need to just make sure to create your own personal trading account. You can see I've already created mine already. So if you want to create your own personal trading account, you have to just make sure to click on open a new account. You can see my arrow, click on it. When you click on it, just make sure to click on this particular standard. All right, click on what? Click on standard and click on continue. You can see, so you have to just create a new private account. So you can see, make sure your account is on So if you want to choose a leverage, you can choose either 1:2000, but for beginner you can just make sure to click on this area and choose 1:1 on this particular one for beginner, because of for those of you that you are just beginner to forex trading, to avoid any liquidation, because larger leverage and larger risks. All right, so guys, and make sure you can even change the name, change this particular nickname to your own. You can type in any name wherever. All right, then you can decide to make sure to put your own password here. The password you can be using to log into your MT4. All right, so after you create on this particular create account, they will give you your own personal account number. All right, account number. Let me show you the type of, just make sure to put your own, manually put your own personal password. That is why I just like Exness. You can easily put your own personal password. All right, so click here and put your own personal all right, password here. So then after that, just come to this particular create account. I've already have my own account already. I'm just showing you the demonstration how you can do your own. So once you do your own, there you can see, you will see it. Let me show you my own right now, my own personal account. You can see, so after you have already successfully create your own personal trading account, you'll be given a number. This is your number. This is my own. You can see this is my own number, trading account number. I just name it. I name it as Wascom FS. All right, you can decide to name your own. So that is the number you need to log into either your MT5. So you can create your own either MT5. You can create MT5 or MT4. It depends. So if you want to even create it, just make sure to click here. Then you can see, you can change it to either to MT5 or MT4. Click here. You can see you can change it to MT4, or you can change it to what? MT5. So once you are done that, you are good to go. Then your account will be ready. So once your account is ready like this, so you are fully created your own personal trading account. Hope you are enjoying this video so far. Try to give me a like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. So once you do that, guys, just come to this particular deposits. All right, click on deposit. All right, so it's very simple and easy. Just make sure to load up. So you can see, you can deposit with online transfer, Bitcoin, online transfer to, all right, pay with banks, all right, Skrill, Theta, ERC20, USD coin, and you can easily deposit bank card, Netala, online bank transfer, Perfect Money. Can you see all these various? The one we normally use, I normally use my personally, is USDT Tron. USD, or I can easily transfer using online bank transfer. If you are Nigerian, you can use your own bank account. Click on here, then you proceed and pay. Just make sure to put the amount you want to use. Either you want to use either 100,000 naira, 100,000 naira. All right, this is 100,000 naira. Then you click on continue, then you follow the step, then you see account number you want to pay for. You can click on this continue button. Let me show you. Click on continue. All right, then click, then you see, all right, just make sure to follow the step. All right, you get $63. Click on continue and you see the bank, the step. Then click on confirm here. Then you can easily go ahead and follow the step. Just make sure you can pay with a bank transfer. Click on it. Click on I understand. For those of you that you want to use bank and transfer, so I'm just demonstrating on how you can use your own. You can use Wema wherever. You can use either Wema wherever. Then you can see Wema bank account number whatever. You can see 100,000. So can you see transfer exactly 100,000 to the bank account below? So you can see this is Wema Bank. It's very simple. If you are in Nigeria, you can use your bank, local bank, to transfer. So let me kindly go back to the next step, how you can use cryptocurrency for your own personal transfer. So let me kindly show you guys on how to do that. Click on deposit again. All right, so I want to use crypto. You can use Bitcoin, you can use online transfer to pay with bank. All right, so let me just, because I don't want to waste your time, guys. All right, so just come to this particular area. I normally use TRC20 network. You can use Bitcoin, so I normally use TRC20 network. So I'll just come to this particular area, click on here. All right, click on here. Then this is, I want to withdraw, I want to deposit to my normal this account. I will now click on this continue. All right, so guys, you can see you will just copy this particular wallet address. Click on copy, then you send the money. Just go to your various, either Binance, wherever you are using, Binance, OKS, any exchange you are using. If you want to go for P2P, you can go to any exchange that is doing P2P. You can just do that. I may leave some video down below. You can just go and do your P2P and send the money to this particular Exness. Then your account will be funded. Simple as that. Once you do that, your account will be like this. Then you see your money on your dashboard like this. Guys, if you enjoyed this video so far, just give me a like and subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys. This is the various method you can use to make deposit to your Exness account. Thank you guys for watching the video. Try to hit the subscribe button, like this video, share this video. Thank you guys for watching. Bye for now, guys.